Welcome to the world of automation in the automotive switch industry, where innovation meets efficiency. Developed by Konem Private Limited, this presentation showcases cutting-edge solutions designed to revolutionize automotive switch testing. At Konem Private Limited, we are committed to delivering state-of-the-art testing solutions for the automotive industry. Our capabilities include end-of-line test benches, endurance test benches, and performance test benches, all equipped with advanced testing technologies to ensure precision and reliability. Our solutions for two-wheeler handlebar switches are tailored to meet the needs of leading clients like Minder and Varick. We implement technologies such as continuity testing, voltage drop and load current testing, resistance testing, CAN and LIN bus-based communication testing to ensure optimal performance. Here, we present a glimpse of our end-of-line testing setup for two-wheeler handlebars. This sophisticated machinery ensures that each switch meets the highest standards of quality and functionality before reaching the market. Our end-of-line testing for two-wheeler handlebars is enhanced with machine vision technology, providing precise and automated inspection capabilities. This ensures that every product is thoroughly evaluated for quality assurance. Endurance testing is crucial for assessing the durability of two-wheeler handlebars. Our advanced testing machines simulate real-world conditions to ensure that each product can withstand the rigors of everyday use. For two-wheeler ignition lock sets, we offer solutions that include continuity testing and voltage drop and load current testing. Our clients, such as HUF and Pavnazadi, benefit from our comprehensive testing technologies that guarantee reliability and safety. Our endurance test machines for two-wheeler ignition lock sets are designed to evaluate the longevity and robustness of these critical components, ensuring they perform flawlessly over time. End-of-line testing for two-wheeler ignition lock sets is conducted with precision and care, ensuring that each unit meets stringent quality standards before it is shipped to our clients. We provide solutions for four-wheeler automotive switches, including kit fascia, mirror, combi switch, piano switch, power window switch, and plunger switch. Our technologies ensure comprehensive testing for continuity, voltage drop, resistance, and communication. Automated testing for four-wheeler switches is a key component of our quality assurance process. This advanced setup allows for efficient and accurate testing, ensuring that each switch performs optimally. Our automated testing for combi switches showcases the precision and reliability of our testing solutions. This setup ensures that each switch is thoroughly evaluated for performance and quality. Our software solutions for end-of-line testing provide a detailed and intuitive interface for monitoring and controlling the testing process, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in every test conducted. The software interface for end-of-line testing is designed to streamline the testing process, offering real-time data and insights to enhance decision-making and quality control. Our endurance testing software provides a comprehensive view of the testing process, allowing for precise monitoring and analysis to ensure that each product meets the highest standards of durability. The testing specifications for automated testing outline the process sequence and test scope, ensuring that each product is evaluated thoroughly for functionality, continuity, and quality. Our machines are equipped with advanced features such as aluminium extrusion frame workbench, IPC, PLC, servo motor, DAQ, CAN tool, pneumatics, poker yoke, and report generation capabilities, ensuring top-notch performance and reliability. Partnering with Konem means gaining a trusted ally in building smarter, faster, and more reliable testing processes for the future of mobility. Our engineering solutions ensure that every test bench is designed for excellence. At Konem, we believe in the power of automation to transform industries. Think automation, think Konem, and join us in shaping a smarter tomorrow.